Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah. Woo! See how my body is moving? I'm singing and I was ready to sing for you. When you're recording, you need to be ready for that intro, that beginning where you're coming in. Are you going to slide in? Are you going to be definite? Let your body help you as you're recording. How do you have your body? Are your knees tight? Are you thinking about your breathing? Are you working with the tempo of the song? So when it's the beginning, you have to be breathing with the tempo of the song. If it's fast, yay, yay, yay. Okay, or hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now my body, hey, yeah. I was right in there. I was ready to start that song. So know your beginning so you don't anticipate it or pull back and come in a little bit late and then have to redo it. Also, in conducting tension, if you're going like this, if you're going and your shoulders start tightening, breathing, you've got to bring the shoulders down and start moving with your song. Your knees and your arms, they conduct tension. So make sure that you have one foot in front of the other. You can lean in, lean back, but don't have those knees tensed because now the whole body is going to be on alert. And remember, survival is the most important thing. So it's going to say, uh-oh, tight, tight. And then the final, listen to me. And then the final thing, but not really the most important though, is what you're thinking. As you start thinking about your song, do not keep the brain going with a mistake. If you keep thinking, oh, you know the part that's hard. Oh, I'm going to make a mistake. Oh, I better watch out here. Relax. If you've practiced enough, you know it, you need to go for it. It's like the shot, remember, with the baseball players? They don't think before they go for that shot. They've practiced so much that they go for the shot. They think about it before, and then they breathe and let it fly. You're in the recording. You got to let it fly. Okay? I know this is important for you. And if you're a beginner, remember, you can keep going. You can get into recordings. Just be mindful of all the things that keep you happy in this, keep you going in it. Your mindset has to be positive. All right? Okay. Guess what? You got to leave a message, leave a comment. Go to marquitawaters.com. Check out the vocal workout course because I've got exercises to get you ready for